On Wednesday, March 27, at least 7 individuals lost their lives in an Israeli airstrike targeting a paramedics center associated with Hezbollah, an Iran-backed militant organization based in Lebanon. Concurrently, in northern Israel, one casualty occurred following the strike, which triggered Hezbollah to launch numerous rockets towards the Israeli town of Kiryat Shmona. The Israeli strike on the Lebanese village of Hibarieh came a day after the airstrikes and rocket attacks between Israel's military and Hezbollah along the Lebanon-Israel border. The recent exchange of fire took place after a brief lull in fighting between Israel and the Iran-backed militant group along the border, raising concerns about further escalation along the frontier that has been active for the past 5 months amid the ongoing Israel-Hamas war in Gaza. Both Israel and Lebanon have said that they do not want an all-out war and are open to diplomatic process, but the number of strikes has increased this week. On Wednesday, Israeli emergency services reported that a rocket launched by Hezbollah resulted in the death of a factory worker in Kiryat Shmona, with another individual sustaining minor injuries. This rocket attack was purportedly carried out in retaliation for the Israeli airstrike on Hibarieh, which, according to sources cited by news agencies, claimed the lives of at least 7 individuals. The airstrike, occurring shortly after midnight on March 26, targeted an office belonging to the Islamic Emergency and Relief Corps, as confirmed by the Lebanese Ambulance Association. In response, the Lebanese Paramedics Association released the names of 7 volunteers who tragically lost their lives in the strike, condemning it as a blatant violation of humanitarian efforts. It was reportedly one of the deadliest single attacks since violence erupted along the border. Since the beginning of the war between Israel and the Palestinian militant group Hamas in Gaza, Hezbollah has also launched attacks against Israel. Earlier on Wednesday, Hezbollah issued condemnation for the strikes shortly before retaliating with the launch of dozens of rockets on Kiryat Shmona and a military base in the area. The Israeli military reported approximately 30 rockets being fired from Lebanon towards northern Israel. Additionally, Hezbollah stated that Israeli strikes near 2 towns in northeast Lebanon on Tuesday resulted in the death of 3 of its militants. Israel has subsequently confirmed these strikes.